everyone, my name is Swati Mandapra and I am from MAXHUB India. So today we are here to unbox MAXHUB webcam, which is a UCW21. So now we see what are the accessories available with this MAXHUB UC camera. Okay, so it is a USB based camera. Let's see. So when you open, you will find this is a one webcam, and along with this webcam you will find a USB Type-C cable. So the cable at the one end, it has a USB Type-C port, on the other hand it has a USB 2.0 port. Okay, so the length of this particular cable is something around 1.5 meter. Now we will see that this is a MAXHUB UCW21, which is a USB camera. So this camera has 8 megapixel 4K camera, and you can see it has a metallic body, and on the back side you will get a one USB Type-C connection, and you can mount this particular camera on laptop, desktop, and so it is very easy to mount this particular camera. You can just see, and this camera has plus minus 10 degree adjustment, like you can just adjust plus 10 degree minus 10 degree, and it has 360 degree rotation, so you can just rotate as per your requirement. Now I am just showing you how can we mount. So here it is. You can just see we can adjust this camera as per our requirement. So it is a 4K camera along with 2 number of microphones which can capture 4-meter voice pickup, and this webcam has autofocus feature also, and this is the best webcam you can use for personal use, for huddle rooms, for something 4 to 5 seater rooms. So this is about UCW21. Thank you.